Hi everyone, this is Ben from My Shiny Toolbox, and I'm here picking up Mary Jane for a little bit of maintenance. And while I'm here, I thought I'd shoot a quick video to show you how we maintain humidity inside Mary Jane behind me while she's in storage. So let's go take a look. We're here inside Mary Jane, and I thought I'd show you just a quick walk around of how we maintain humidity inside the camper while it's in storage. Now, maintaining humidity is extremely important over the long haul because of mildew buildup, and once you get mildew inside the walls and the floor and whatnot, it's very difficult to get rid of. So maintaining the humidity low within a comfortable band while it's in storage and while you're using it is very important. The first thing I want to show you is how we monitor the humidity, and right here on the refrigerator is a humidity meter. Did you notice that the number just went up? Well, I opened the door when I came in and it was reading 58, and since the door's been open just within the last minute, the humidity is starting to creep up. So we try to keep the humidity less than 60%, and with the doors and windows closed, that's no problem. Now, how we do that is we use damp rid. Here's a damp rid bucket that I keep in the bedroom, and damp rid it's just a desiccant, if you will, that you pour into the top of the bucket, and in the bottom it collects water. So I put 5 of these damp rid buckets. They're reusable. You can put the pellets inside the bucket that has a little basket, and then the water drips through the basket and collects in the bottom. And that helps keep the water collected while the camper's in storage. Now, during transport, I put the buckets in the sink so they don't spill over. So I keep one here, one in the sink, one in the refrigerator. See it there? One in the bedroom that I just picked up. Oh yeah, forgot one. Back here, you may not be able to see it, behind the Who Rescued Who pillow and doorstop. And one back here in the bathroom. There's a nice little shelf right here where the heater, the radiant heat comes up, that I keep one. It keeps it from moving around while it's in transport. Another thing we do is while we're using the camper, the damp rid won't do as good a job. So there's 2 things you can do. One is when it's warm enough temperature outside and you want to keep the temperature inside cool, you run the air conditioner. The air conditioner is basically a dehumidifier as it works, and that helps remove the humidity inside the camper. Another thing we do is when it's cool out and we want to run the radiant heat and or the heat pumps, we use a dehumidifier, and that's it right back there. It's a General Electric 30-pint dehumidifier, and we just keep it plugged in at night and set it on about 40%. And that's comfortable. That's on the low end for me, but that's a comfortable point to keep it where moisture won't build up on the walls. And you know what I mean. If you've not run a dehumidifier and you sleep in at night when it's cool outside, the windows fog up. You'll have water on the walls of the camper. We've even had water inside the microwave, on the top of the microwave, like it was raining inside. So that's my recommendation. Get a dehumidifier. They're about $150. Run it when it's well, we run it all the time when we're living inside the camper, and then when it's in storage, damp rid. And again, I use 5 buckets, and I have to replace the desiccant inside the buckets about once every 2 months. They're pretty efficient. Anyway, that's it. Hope that answers some questions about humidity inside your camper, and hope everybody's having a great day. See you down the road.